In this video, we'll show you 5 quick and easy steps to fix file type association errors in Windows 11. Stay tuned to get your files opening with the right programs again in no time. Search default apps in Windows Search. Now click on Default Apps. Scroll down to the bottom and click on First, press Windows key plus R together and type regedit and hit Enter. You are going to follow this path. H key, current, user on software o Microsoft o Windows au current version, Explorer file ext. Now, right-click on the particular file type, extension you are facing problem with, and click on Delete. For example, AAC format is taken. Once you have done that, you have to reboot your computer. Press the Windows key and start to type CMD. When you see command prompt has appeared on the elevated search result, right-click on it and then click on Run as Administrator. Copy and paste this command on command prompt interface and hit Enter. Wait for a while as the DISM scan may take some time. Copy and paste this command in the command prompt and hit Enter. Reboot your computer. Search CMD in Windows 11 taskbar search. Right-click on Run as Administrator. Now, to change a file type association, just type ASOC. Extension _name = file _type, for example. If we have to associate SCR file type with Notepad using command prompt, then we will execute assoc SCR = txt file. To revert it back to what it was, we will execute assoc SCR = SCR files. Search CMD in Windows 11 taskbar search. Right-click on Run as Administrator. Now, type ASOC file _type _ r facing problem with and hit Enter key. For example, let's say you are facing problem with Chrome. So, execute the following command, ASOC GURL now, note down the output as it will be used in next command. Now, type the command given below. After that, right-click on exe file located in the folder and click on Properties. Copy the target. That is the full path of application. So, in this case, the command we will run is that's it. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.